Hi guys, these are my two favorite post workout drinks. I'll have these alternatively for the entire week. The first drink that I'm gonna show you today is made with roasted chickpeas. I buy these roasted chickpeas from one of the Indian grocery store. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description box so that you can buy it from Amazon in case you don't have any Indian grocery store close by. These chickpeas are very healthy source of protein, fiber, iron, magnesium and sodium. It has many cooling properties and that's why I prefer to have it in summer. For this drink, we need chickpeas. It's a great source of protein and flushes out toxins very well from the body. Then we need some cumin seeds, totally optional, some mint leaves, dry or fresh, and some pink salt. Mix all well together in a blender and give it a good spin until it is in the powder form. Transfer it into the glass and squeeze in half a lemon. This drink is really very healthy and filling. I won't indulge in any other snack until my lunchtime. It keeps me active and awake. Add hot water from the top and give it a good stir. And the drink is ready. Post workout, I tend to feel very hungry. So I decided to go with one of the fruit. Today I'm going with pear. I think it's really a good option. I hope you like the drink. So guys, the second drink I'm sharing with you is great as post-workout drink or as weight loss drink. Banana, cocoa powder and dates are very rich in vitamin C, iron, protein, antioxidant, magnesium, vitamin B6. It's very healthy, easy to make drink and very tasty. Enjoy. We need one ripe banana which is full in antioxidants and it's easier to digest. One date, about a half spoon of cocoa powder and 2 cardamom seeds for a flavor. I've taken a fresh coconut milk which I've prepared at home today. This is the cocoa powder brand which I'm using. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description box if you're interested to buy the same brand. Now everything goes in for a quick blend. Let's blitz everything all together. Guys, this blender is really good. I'll leave a link for you in the description box. That turned out really creamy. Looks delicious, isn't it? Guys, you can add some chia seeds on top if you want to. I'm skipping it because I want to have another drink before my bedtime. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.